Go ahead, go
Yeah.
ahead.
If I'm trying to do the payment, okay, proceed to payment, it's not happening. Like I'm not able to do that action, like failure of that work feature. It would
Hmm.
be called as failure. And whereas error is like it is done at the compile time or run time. It is an error. It's a mistake. Basically, it's a
Afin,
mistake.
I think there's some network issue. Your voice is choppy. Afin, if you can hear me, your voice is breaking. Make sure your network is you have a good network. Anybody else? Before I point at a name. Please be proactive and answer. Who wants to go next?
A defect is the mismatch between expected result and actual result of the developed software.
Hmm.
And a bug is an error which detected in the development environment by the stage by while testing a stage. And failure is
Sorry,
the
sorry, sorry. Can you repeat that?
bug is detected in the development environment during the testing stage.
Really? During testing, when you perform testing, do you perform the testing in development dev environment, developers
Ma'am,
environment?
yeah, ma'am, I got confused, but when I googled it or searched in a Google,
Hmm.
it came like this only.
Hmm. So
But
what
we
is
will
written
test
in the
in
notes?
testing environment, QA environment, no, ma'am?
Yes, always testers should test it in whatever it is. We have to test it in QA environment. Okay,
Yes.
let's say you found a bug. Okay, in QA environment, and if it is working fine in developers environment, are you going to give the sign off as a QA for QA environment? You shouldn't.
No,
Okay,
ma'am.
you should never test anything in QA environment. Let's say you raised a bug and developer says, "Yeah, it is working fine, guys. It is working fine in developers environment." Okay, that
Okay.
doesn't matter. Let it work. Let it doesn't work. They find a different issue. If it is working fine in QA environment, then give sign off. If it is not working in QA environment, don't give sign off. Okay, let them scratch their head, let them do anything whatever they want. Okay, in real time, actually, I mean, there'll be very big fights that will happen between teams. Okay, the developers and testers. Okay, between them. So even the development lead and the testing lead will start fighting. I mean, don't take it. I mean, when I say fighting, they actually justify why it is not a bug. Why they say, okay, we cannot fix it, or this is not a bug. Why the testers justify. They say why it is a bug, why they have to fix it. Okay, so it will be a healthy argument. It will be a healthy argument. Okay, I mean, literally, it just looks like they're fighting. Okay, so that will be there. So please try to understand. Never give this statement. I mean, nowhere. Whenever you're explaining anything, please don't mention this false statement as when QA is testing in the dev environment. Please don't make this statement. Okay, he will never test. He shouldn't test it in dev environment. Nothing he has to test there. Okay. Yes. Go
Okay.
ahead.
Ma'am, when I search what is bug while testing, it came as a bug is an error detected in the development environment during testing stage.
Hmm.
Then it will be a wrong, ma'am.
Yeah, that's not right. Probably see, in some of the websites what will happen is there will be few people, okay, who actually provide answers. It is not uh, did you find it in Wikipedia or some trusted website? No. So
No, ma'am.
there are some
Generally, I
sites.
got.
So there are some sites where people actually post the definition of something, their understanding. Okay, they'll put it in their own way. So
Got it,
somebody
ma'am.
might have put it wrong. I don't know where actually you have searched, but yeah, that is not the right statement. Okay.
Okay, okay, ma'am.
Yes. Uh, Next, you said about bug. What is defect?
A defect is the mismatch between the actual result and expected results.
Hmm. Who finds it defect? Very
Soft
important.
detected by the software developers.
Okay, so everybody missed that. Okay, so defect is something that will be found by the developers. Okay, when they perform testing, when they see, there is a difference between error and defect. Try to understand, all of you. Error is something that they write the code and they try to compile the code and they find some mistake in the code, okay, because of which they're not able to run the code, okay. So that is called as error. What is a defect? After they compile, so they will not get any compilation error, okay, they're able to run it successfully. But after that, when they perform what kind of unit testing, okay, they just take a look of how the application looks, or is it working fine. I mean, the last stage of development, okay. So at that time, if they find the issue, okay, that the expected behavior is not equal to the what actual behavior, then that is called as a defect. And bug, the same thing when the testers test. I mean, what I explained about the defect, the same thing when the testers do it, okay, they call it as a bug, okay. And as you said, yes, the informal name of defect is bug, okay. So bug, usually it will be it is actually the name given by the testers, okay. When it is found by testers, it is called as a bug. So don't assume like testers should never use the word as defect or issue. It's not like that, okay. This is just an interview question. Don't take it I mean, don't consider the exact definition of each and every I mean, we put everything under same statement. But when I say failure, okay, error, defect, bug, so or especially defect and bug, those two can be put in same box. But when we speak about failure, failure is something that will happen in production environment. What do you mean by failure? Failure is something that has a very big impact. Why? Because the customer, the end user is using it. Okay, the end user is using it. I mean, using the application. So there, if they find any issue, they're going to do some very big drama of it. Okay, they're going to escalate, and that will actually reach the management or the product owner, and the product owner is going to now blame the QA. Okay, so they'll start asking you why you missed that bug. Okay, it might be a minor issue or a major issue, whatever it is, okay. It depends on the impact that the customer is facing because of that bug. Somehow you missed it, okay. It's not that you have written 100% coverage. There is no 100% coverage, you all know this, right? So this is about the failure. Did you guys understand especially the difference between the defect and the bug? Defect and the bug. Defect, when the developers do it, it is called as defect. And bug, when the
engineering.
testers do it, it is called as bug. Okay, clear, guys?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, we'll go ahead now. Who has a mobile phone next to you who can install an app? We'll start with a new project. Nobody has phone, huh?
I have, ma'am, but
I want somebody to share your screen. Share, or if somebody has logged in with your phone. Kavya, Sneha. Somebody, please share. Sneha, please share. Please share your screen. I want you to install an application, okay? Guys, everybody should be interactive, okay? Everybody should interact.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Good. So just go to your homepage. So go to Play Store. So the next application that we are going to work on is mobile application. Okay, it's a mobile app. One more point: whenever you work on a web application, please don't say it as web app. Okay, applications. I mean, app is the short form of application. But whenever you work on a web application, I mean, I really don't know what is how it is going to make a difference, but I have seen personally that some people don't, when you say app, okay, when you say app, web app, they don't consider that. Okay, only for mobile applications, you can say that as an app. Okay, But when you work on a web application, say it as web application, not web app. Okay. Yes. So the next what application or the app that is will be a mobile application. Again, that will be on the e-commerce domain. Okay. So for this batch, we have planned to push you guys on e-commerce domain. Okay. So both the applications or both the projects that you're going to practice will be on what e-commerce. Okay. So you're going to get very good knowledge on e-commerce application. And before I start this, there is one assignment for you. I don't know like how many of you are writing test cases, updation, or writing new test cases on new features, new modules. Who has written test cases from past three to 4 days? Pawan, okay. Hold on, Sneha. Other than Pawan? Nobody?
Ma'am, I don't have laptop since from 1 week. I need some extra time to write test case.
Others? Others? Ashwini?
Yes, ma'am.
Wrote test cases?
Only 15 to 20 test cases I wrote them.
Why?
This weekend I will write them. Actually, I was in
Are you working?
hometown. The network issue was there. That's why I did not.
To write the test cases in an Excel, do you need network?
This weekend I.
Shrikant?
Actually, I'm working, ma'am. Managing time is for me a difficult task. I'll write the test cases.
Okay, tell me, where do you stay? Bangalore?
Vijayanagar.
Okay, it's Bangalore, Vijayanagar, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because there are different Vijayanagars. Yeah. So, what is your working hours?
As an associate service delivery, it's a non-technical, like a data entry job.
Okay. What is the timing?
Morning 8 to 5.
What will you do after 5? Okay,
Uh,
traveling will take you 1.5 hour. 6. Okay, we'll keep it at 7 only. You have class, sir, at 7.
7 to 8.
After 8 to 9, 1 hour you will have food.
Half an hour I will have food, and then I'll refresh the contents.
What?
Half an hour I will have food.
Hmm.
And then in half an hour I will see the previous recordings. And then 9 o'clock class project.
Oh.
I'll write down. I'll write it.
See, spend some extra half an hour, yaar. Every day, at least half an hour to write test case. Don't give this. At least early in the morning, you will not have any class, right? Right? Before you start to office, get up half an hour early, or sleep half an hour late. I mean, whatever is comfortable for you. Don't give reasons. If you keep on giving reasons, see, there are so many reasons that people don't get job. So later you shouldn't regret that. Okay, I should have spent some more time, extra time. Okay, so please spend some time. Sanjana,
Yes, ma'am.
what is the status?
I will write, ma'am.
When?
Actually, tomorrow onwards, ma'am.
Okay, Amrita.
Mama, I'll update after this weekend.
Okay, each one of you have different problems, but I understand. But please spend at least half an hour a day. See, what I'm going to do is I'm not going to push you or give you requirements. I'm going to tell Baswa, because only once I say that you guys are ready, you have written test cases, you guys are ready. Once I get the confidence that you are good to go, good to attend the interviews. Only then Baswa is going to give you the requirements. Else he's not going to give the requirements. If you delay now, okay, so the requirements will come late. And now the market is little low, okay, so whenever you get a job, you just have to grab it. So now it is actually rising, but nobody knows what will happen tomorrow. So please try to understand the urgency or the seriousness. Have that seriousness, please. Okay, please practice. Now you'll not understand when you attend the interview. When you gain that confidence, then you will understand, okay, writing test cases helped me so much. Then you will say, okay.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Please spend good amount of time and write test cases. Take this seriously. I'm not going to push you for the interview if you do not write at least 300 test cases for this new project. First project, yes, Afreen, you have something to say?
Yes, ma'am. Like now we have finished one project, round one. We
Huh?
are starting with another one. Like
Hmm.
sir once said that he is going to give us the names of the projects that we have done. Like will
Yeah.
they be different, ma'am?
Yes, that'll be there. That'll be given later. Okay. I mean,
Okay,
you
okay.
can choose out of the list. You can choose. So we are
Mm-hmm.
going to give the list of e-commerce projects only.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am,
Since
one more.
1 second.
Like,
Since you have worked on e-commerce projects, so he's going to give some good e-commerce projects like Meesho. You have Big Basket. You have, right? So
yes, ma'am.
Fresho is nothing but Big Basket, I guess. Yeah. So those
Ajio.
kind of applications. I mean, the names is going to give. You can choose out of which. Out of them, you can choose any two, and you have to be prepared on those what project. Just explore that project and just put the same thing in your resume. That'll be
Okay.
good.
Better.
Okay.
Ma'am, one more thing is there any limit that like particular test cases should have this many like this? For example, I should write 20 integration test scenarios or like that.
Try to understand. Whenever
Okay.
in the even in the interview, when you start writing test cases, initially, like, see, they might give you maximum like 10 to 15 minutes. Okay.
Okay.
Usually, so in some of the interviews, total duration will be 2 hours, but usually it will be 30 minutes to 40 minutes or 1 hour maximum. But in a rare case, it'll go beyond 1 hour, maybe 1.5 hour, 2 hours. Okay. So what will happen is, they along with the other questions, okay, along with writing test cases, they are going to cover other what questions are also, right? So when you split the duration of maybe 1 hour, so they are going to give you 15 minutes or 20 minutes or maximum half an hour to write test cases. So just think practically. In that 30 minutes, how many test cases can you write? Can you write one test case in 1 minute? Not possible by you. Okay, so the more number of test cases you write, there will be one more interview question. How many test cases can you write in a day?
Mhm.
Okay, so you have to tell them the number. So I'll give you all those calculations. Okay, we'll go through all that.
Okay, ma'am.
Thorough calculations I'm going to give you. But try to understand in that half an hour, how many test cases are I going to write? And out of, let's say, in that 30 minutes, say, for example, me, I write some 15 test cases. It's not possible for me to write beyond 15. Trust me, I cannot write beyond 15 because I have to think and then write. Okay, it is not like when I write test cases, if you write scenarios, okay, you can write 20, 30, 40 also, but it is test case. You have to write test data, you have to write precondition, you have to write the description, you have to write the test steps, expected result. So all this you have to write, correct? So if you have to write this, at least 15, if you write, it'll be good. Out of those 15, when they give you the requirement, okay, you have to cover important scenarios. In that test case, what they're going to check is how have you written the test case, how creative you are based on the requirement that they have given. Okay, how creative you are. As much as possible, try to write more and more of integration and in end-to-end test cases. Maximum test cases should be those. And initially, when you start, write 1 or 2 functional test cases. 1 or 2 or 3, not more than that, please. because you have to cover everything, right? You have to cover functional, you have to cover integration, you have to cover system. It's nothing but end to end, right? So you have to cover everything. So 2 to 3 you write functional directly, not more than 3, please. 2 is good, 3 is more. Okay, so if you write 2 test cases functional, then starting from third one, start writing integration test cases, data flow between 2 modules, end-to-end testing, multiple modules, combine multiple modules. Say for example, if I take Gmail, when I say integration, the mail sent from one account should be received in the inbox of another account. Correct?
Yes,
Cover
ma'am.
negative
Yes,
test
ma'am.
case. Cover negative test case. But whenever you write the positive and the negative test cases, after second, you start with integration positive test cases, positive cases. Okay, next, end-to-end testing, end-to-end test cases, all positive cases. Then switch to integration negative, system or end-to-end negative. So all the negative test cases, please write it at last. Okay, clear on this? At least 4 integration, 4 end-to-end. How many are over? 4 for 8, 2 functional, 10 are over. Another 5 to 6 or 10 maximum. If you are very fast in writing, if you are able to think very fast, when can you think fast? Now, if you write 200 to 300 test cases, then in an interview, you can write more number of test cases. So they will check that also. Have you written end-to-end cases? Have you covered most of the scenarios? How is the coverage? Okay. And how many test cases have you written? So what is your capability? They're going to check all that just by looking at your test case. Clear on this?
Yes,
If
ma'am.
you don't practice now, you will struggle in the interview because each and every word you type or you write, that will be seen by the interviewer. See, if you are attending offline interview, what they will do is they will give you the requirement. They will go out, they'll do their work. For some time, they'll give you 10 minutes. They'll say that, okay, I'll come back after 10 minutes. But post-COVID, what is happening is, that was how earlier it was happening before COVID. But post-COVID or during COVID, the online interviews have started, right? So now usually there'll be online interviews, virtual interviews. So there what they do is they ask you to share the screen and they'll ask you to open your Excel or whatever, right? Your spreadsheet. They'll ask you to type the test cases. So they'll be looking at each and every word that you type, how you struggle to form the sentence, how much time do you take to think. So all that they'll observe, and based on that they're going to judge you. So please, if you have that if you need to have that confidence, then you have to write test cases. I'm stressing so much on this. So it is up to you guys. I want you all to, or if you don't do it, I'll have to forcefully make you write the test cases. Or else I'll have to stop taking classes and make you write test cases if you do not write. Okay. So Monday, I'm going to see how many of you have written, like, trust me, it is not, when I say 300, don't write 30. Okay. I want 300 test cases at any cost. If you have any doubt, ping me on WhatsApp, ping me in group, ping me personally, whatever it is. Okay. Or directly call me and say, ma'am, I have this doubt, or share me the screenshot. Say, I have this doubt. Don't wait until the next class. Call me. If I'm free, I'll respond. If I'm working or if I'm busy, if I'm in a meeting, whatever it is, okay, I'm going to respond back. Did you understand? If you're blocked, if you want to do it, then you have to fall behind me to get your doubts cleared. Here it is the other way. I'm actually I'm forcing you guys to do it. I feel really bad on myself that I'm forcing you. I feel like I'm scolding you. Okay, guys, if you think that I'm scolding, I'm actually not scolding. Please try to understand. I'm saying this for your benefit. The class is, the recording is actually on. So we'll go ahead. Please understand. Please write test cases. So weekend, write test cases. Monday, I want everybody's test case. If you guys don't write it, then just look into, see the next action. I'm not going to continue with the classes. We are going to write test cases. I will ask you guys to share the screen and make you write test cases. Everybody should be present. Should that happen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Then please take it seriously and write it. If you have doubts, please post it. Ping me. Take a screenshot and send it to me. I'll reply back or I'll respond to your call, whatever it is. Okay, fine. So
Ma'am, for which one we have to write the test case?
I'll update, but for Amazon, whatever you had written, Amazon or Myntra, whatever application that you had taken, right? So some of you had taken Myntra, I guess. So please write test cases for the same, update test cases for the same. Now I have a new what application? We have a new project. We can please update your previous test cases for Amazon project or whichever project you guys wrote. Update and write additional test cases. Take different modules. I'm not saying this person has to write only on this feature. And I also I had told a few of them to. I had assigned few modules, but you guys have not written on that. Did I say something? No, it doesn't matter to me. Ultimately, you have to write test cases. Okay, please understand and write test cases. If you have any doubts, ping me back. 100 times I've told you this. I'm fed up. Okay, so Sneha, we'll go ahead. Sneha, please share the screen. I'm saying this repeatedly as if I'm the one who is going to be benefited by this. Okay, yeah. So the next application that we are going to explore is Mamaearth. Mamearth. Yes. Can you install the application? Guys, everybody know this application? At least this brand.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Let it install. Now, once she installs, what I'm going to do is I'm going to exit from the call. Okay? Because if I'm there, you people won't speak up. Okay? Huh. Hello. Did you allow? Did you allow, Sneha?
Yeah, ma'am.
Sneha, I cannot hear you.
Yeah, ma'am. I allowed it, ma'am.
Okay. Just don't keep on. Wait. Don't click on anything. Don't tap. Okay. So now, what is the action that she's making? She's making the taps. She's making the tap. I hope I have covered this. Even while writing the test cases, okay, instead of clicks, you have to mention it as tap. Clear on this, guys? So this
Yes,
is
ma'am.
a app that we are actually exploring on mobile. But you also have Mamaearth website. So you also get a web application. You can explore that also, and you can see the difference how it looks. So sometimes, in some of the organizations, they develop few applications, or some applications are something like they have both web and mobile. They work on both web and mobile. Okay, there are some applications which are just what web, which just work on web. They don't develop, or they have not developed the mobile applications. There are so many. Okay, and there are some applications which are just mobile applications. They have no web. Okay, they don't have web. Can you give me some examples for all the three, if you know?
Ma'am.
Ola, ma'am, mobile application.
MP3, MP4.
Ola? Yes, Ola is a mobile application. Do we have a web application? Ola Web. Guys, do we have a web application? Ola?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay, that's just a mobile application. Both you have Amazon, you have so many e-commerce, you have, other than e-commerce, you have different other applications also. Only web. Only web. Do you know any of the applications? Only web. Okay, these are all. I know, but if I tell you, they're all like very secure applications. They're not open to all the users. I mean, you cannot directly go and register and have an account and use it. And if I tell you, you're not even aware of what that application is. That's okay. I just wanted you to know the difference. Okay, let's go ahead. So Mamaearth, we have both web and mobile application. Okay, so they have just some information. They're showing some information here. What is that? They say, "Our goodness, inside promise." Right? What is it? Best of nature. No toxins are there. Plastic. What is this? Plastic positive. Plastic positive and cruelty free. Just slide it to the left. Slide the screen. Okay, baby hair, face, body. Next. Okay, more than 3 million customers. Okay, next. Sneha,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me your phone number?
900
900
881
881
7
7
557.
557. Okay, just try to explore, try to see, guys, what all do we have. To the left we have the hamburger, we have the logo of the application, then there's a notification icon, some bell icon is there, the account, okay, account icon, profile icon is there, there is a cart, we have search field, right? See, this search, it is quite different from the web application. If you look into the web application, there is a suggestion that actually pops. Search for face mask, search for some what sunscreen. So some auto suggestions actually pop up here in the search. Okay, but here you have to type. You can't see anything, right? It just says what is the text that you have. Search for products dot dot dot. But in web application, it is slightly different. Okay, and when you say e-commerce application, suppose you are showing the project as Mamaearth. Okay, you worked for the client Mamaearth, assume. Okay, now what will happen? You have to say that you have experience working in both web and mobile application. You have to say that. You just cannot say that as a manual QA you just worked on mobile application or just web application. In, say for example, you're showing 2 years of experience. If you have worked on this application, right, so in those 2 years, 100%, there is 100% chance that you will be working on both the applications. You should have exposure, and that is going to happen in the company. Okay, you'll just not be assigned with the mobile application just to be worked on mobile application or just on the web application. So you have to work on both. And if a feature is given to you, say if you're given to test search text box, search box here. Okay, so that it's not just you have to test it in mobile application, or it's not just that you have to test it in web application. So you have to test it in both. The same feature, you have to test it in both. Okay, and you're not going to get two different requirements for the same feature. Okay, you're going to get the requirement. In that requirement, in the story, okay, what they're going to mention is, for mobile application, this is how it should look. This is the requirement. And next, some note they're going to put, and in web application, how it should be different. In the same story, they're going to define for both. Clear on this? Did you guys understand?
Yes,
Even tablets also we are going to test.
See, that will be device. Yes. You have to test there also. Okay. So what is the difference between your mobile phone and tablet? It can be the resolution. What else? Right. So the 1 second. So what else? What is the difference?
Processor.
Right. What else? So basically the hardware will be different. Okay. there is a lot of difference. And when I say mobile application, it is not just always you have to test it in one particular device, right? You will be given chance to test it on multiple devices, and you have to do it on different versions of Android, okay, and on different iOS versions, okay. So if there is again one difference here, some of the applications will work only on Android, okay. Some of the applications will work only on Android. That means they are designed to work on only Android, okay. If you remember in the initial class, I had told you something as CRM, customer relationship management. So there's a domain called CRM domain. Do you guys remember this?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, there is a demo application, not a demo application, but it is used by many people, okay, in real time. That's being used by many agents, okay. So that is an application which supports only Android. Why? Because that is designed only for Android. Usually agents won't have iPhone. Will they be able to afford so much? They cannot afford, right? I mean, most of them will not afford. So that is the reason, instead of developing it for iOS, that actually takes, the cost is more. The cost of development is more, right? So that is why they have developed only for Android. So if you search for lead, what is it? Lead. One second, I'll just check. Lead manager and CRM, something like that. It has someone like that. So the name of the application is Lead Manager and CRM. So that is an application which supports only Android. Okay, it doesn't have any file that can support iOS. Okay, and there are some applications which work only on iOS, and there are some applications which work both on iOS and Android. Okay, so now you have to test as a QA. When the feature is given, you have to test it on web application, you have to test it on mobile, different versions of mobile, okay, different resolutions, different devices, okay. So you have to test it in multiple devices. So it is a well established company. Then they themselves are going to give you some test devices. What do you mean by test device? Just for testing purpose, they are going to give you real devices. They're going to give you real devices, and you have to keep it with you all the time, okay, until the project is done, or that particular testing is done, or until you leave the job, you quit the job, you will have the testing device with you, okay. But some of the companies, they will not be able to afford. You can just lock the screen, Sneha. Yeah, so some of the companies, what they do is they are going to give you uh, what, just one device, and they'll ask you to test it on that device. And if you want to test it on different devices, then you will have to connect with your peers, because your peers will be testing, having another device, okay. You can exchange, so mutually you will have an understanding, and you will give your device to them, they are going to give their device to you, okay. And you install and start testing. Once your testing is done, you return it back to them, okay. You return the device. And in some of the organizations, they have some virtual devices. Do you know any of the virtual devices? Guys, no?
Android Studio.
Android Studio.
Android Studio, okay. You have emulators there,
Browser stack.
right?
Yes.
Browser stack. What exactly do you do on browser stack?
We will select the model of the other models. Different phones we will select.
Okay. What else? What are the
And,
different options that you can select?
It is also like
iOS,
emulated device.
OS operating system we will change.
Okay. So Shrikant said something.
It is also like an emulated tool where we can
Okay.
test the different devices,
Okay. Hmm.
different size of devices.
Okay, fine. So also, um, you have multiple other options, like you can get Windows, you have Linux, so different platforms you get, right? So test there. So if you know about the OTT application, you also have a option for TV, I guess, right? In browser stack, yes or no? If it is done already, did you guys explore?
Not yet, ma'am. It's not done.
Not yet, ma'am.
Mobile application is not done for you, or browser stack is not
Only
done?
browser stack is not done. Mobile application is
Okay,
going.
okay, fine. Okay, once done, you'll get to know. Okay. So yeah. So you have different options. Okay, so don't worry about the TV part because that will come into picture only for usually in OTT. Okay, so just unlock Sneha. So what I want you guys to do is explore this application. All of you, please install this on your phone. Okay, explore this application. So now I am going to drop off from the call. Okay, so I'll join back. Now it is 9:48. I'll join back at 10:20. Okay, until then, I want all of you to discuss. There should be interaction. Simply everybody, because I'll see the recording. Okay, later I want you guys to discuss. I don't know how you guys are going to do it, but I want you guys to discuss. Will you guys do it?
About the features and test cases, ma'am.
Not the test cases, just explore the application, just the features. What will it do? Try giving some inputs. You guide her, you guide Sneha what needs to be done. Or Sneha, if you have something, talk to others. Oh, this is not happening, this is not working, this is how it is. Yeah, I have this option also. What will it do? We'll see how it works. So Sneha, click on view all. Okay, Sneha, scroll down. Okay, what do we have here? Just try to explore. Okay, create an account. Okay, and you have coupons, you have discounts. Is that discount applied? When the discount is applied, how is it actually being shown? Right, try to add multiple what products. Okay, what are all the categories that you have? Bestsellers you have. Just scroll up, Sneha. Bestsellers you have, lightning sale you have. So what is that numbers that is being shown? Okay, what will happen if I just come out of the application and after 2 seconds, if I open the same application, what is the timing that is actually shown? Is it shown correctly or not? Because if you just come back to the same screen, the duration, see, if you see lightning sale, scroll up, 020905, 5 seconds. No, just come back after 3 minutes. So it should show 0209 or 0859. Correct? So just try to explore what all you have. What is that? The rate, the cost of this particular what is that? Onion shampoo for something. Okay, reduces hair fall. So this one, it says 1299 is the MRP and you have 50% off. And it is 650. Just try to calculate if it is correct. So do all this. Try to explore if it is showing correctly. Okay, try to do an exploratory testing, in other words. Okay, and if you come up with any bugs or any doubts, just make a note of it and we'll discuss. Okay, it's exactly 9:50. I'll come back at 10:20. Okay, should I stay or should I drop?
Stay, ma'am.
Fine for everybody?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. No, Afreen, I'll drop off. You guys continue, and I'll join back at 10:20 because if I'm there, I know you guys won't speak, and some of them hesitate to discuss. I want everybody to speak, guys. Okay.
Sneha, are you there?
Yeah, I am doing.
So,
The hamburger menu next to the mama. Next to mama, is this a hamburger menu? Okay. This one, 3 lines are reading.
Hi, Sneha. Are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I'm audible, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. Is this next to the Mama Earth icon? 3 lines are there now. Is that a hamburger menu?
yes, it's a hamburger.
Yes,
menu.
hamburger.
Yeah, okay.
Can you tap on the category icon downside?
Category icon. Where?
Can you add that down?
Downs. Okay, category.
For profile.
Okay.
Down there is
Yeah.
a. Can you tap on the vitamin C?
Wait.
Open the drop down.
Drop down.
Vitamin C.
Drop down. Vitamin C.
Arrow. Carrot.
Yeah, yeah.
For you, that vitamin C face serum is showing perfect. For me,
Yeah.
there is some alignment issue.
Okay.
Can you open other drop downs link?
In search bar, search for click on vitamin. Yeah. In search bar, the product name is showing automation. Search for face mask.
For all you are having same issue, means page is different.
Hello.
Can I log in to get add to cart everything? Or we can use as a guest user?
No, let's explore it sometime without logging in. Later we can log in, right?
Can we go with the baby items? Can I click on add to cart?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Please go to cart.
Yes.
When we click on plus button, it's taking little more time.
Tab.
Yeah, actually correct. Thank you. One more item.
Can you increase the quantity?
Yeah, well, increasing, it's taking more time compared to other websites.
Yeah. In your mobile also it is happening same, means network issue. Means,
Yes, same,
okay.
same. No. Exactly same happening.
But when you come back and in product description page, if you increase the product, it is increasing quickly. Yeah.
In product listing page, it is responsive.
In product detailing page.
In product details page, it is slow. But in description page, when you increase the item, it is increasing very fast.
Actually, in product detailing page, where is the add to cart? See, I scrolled until down.
Come back.
Maybe remove the item and try adding it again from product.
Okay.
No,
Just tap the
Or add different item. Add different item.
I will add this
no,
one.
you have to click on the picture. Yeah.
Okay. I went with the same product which is already in cart, but add to cart is not visible. I will
Tap
come
on the
back.
picture. Tap on the picture.
View cart is there.
Image. Yes. Now you can add.
No, it is going to the images. Different images. It is.
Okay, 1 second.
Once again, I will scroll down. Only the delivery date is there. Results are there.
No,
Similar.
it's in the.
Actually,
I
it's
go
in
with-
the view cart.
That
View cart.
Can I go with
the
another
drop down.
product?
the add button.
Go to some other item. Maybe that's the bug we have.
Oh no. Only first time you will get the add to cart. After if you go same item, it will show like go to cart. Like, view cart like that. It will show.
Yeah, exactly.
In search bar, will you please type soap?
Okay. See, only the first product I am getting here. Add to cart. At the downside.
Just add to cart. Yeah, add to cart this one first.
Okay.
I will explain. If you go to the same item, it will show like view cart like this. Will show. It will. If you go in other product, it will show add to cart. go to the other item.
Yeah, correct.
Yeah, it's correct.
Got it.
It's not a bug. It's
But when
perfectly.
incrementing,
For increment, we have to go to cart and then only we should increment it.
Yeah.
yes, for that particular product.
Please check how many items can you increase.
Okay.
Continuously tap on that incremental button. Yeah.
I am unable to tap
items you can-
continuously. It is
But it's
taking first type.
It's taking time, but we can try more than 100 times.
See, now in this
Continuously,
page
you
it's
can't. I
taking
mean,
time.
you have to give. Yeah, you have to give.
In this page it's taking more time. But when you come back,
Can you
when
click
want
on
to-
number? Can you add number manually?
Okay.
Number of items.
1 second.
Sorry,
Adam is
tab.
calling.
Guys, the reason I called you is you got a call. Okay. You got a call and now see what will happen to the application. I called you intentionally. Just continue testing.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the screen share has
This
been
is-
solved actually.
Yes, Sneha, please. I don't know if she she's out of the call.
No joining.
Sharing also.
Actually, madam
Share this-
called me. I got disconnected. I'm audible, right?
Yeah.
Yes, share your screen, Sneha.
I shared already.
No.
You haven't.
Actually, I'm top. Okay, just a second. I opened that screen, but didn't see. Yeah.
This is interruption testing. Okay. You get multiple interruptions, and what will happen to the application? How does the application behave? Okay. See, when which are all the examples that I have covered, you guys are trying to test the same thing. So don't try to test, okay? Try to explore how they have developed. So just go to the application, Sneha. Share your screen.
Yeah.
See, you have so many features. You can find hundreds of features here. See, available offers for you. You are saving 431. What is that 431? Try to analyze what is that 431. Okay, open, or go to the cart. Wait. Go up. No. Scroll down. Yes. So you have the coupons, view details you have. Okay. Go to the next coupon. Slide. Have a coupon code. Enter some wrong thing. Apply. Next, you have card details. I don't want you to test. Okay. I'm just giving you some samples or examples of how you can explore and try to understand the application. Okay. Whatever you were doing, that's good. See, first time when you click on add to cart, the second time if you open the same product, then it will not show as add to cart. It will show as view cart. Okay. So this is how you need to explore. That's the right way. But what I'm trying to say is you have many other features. Please cover everything. Okay. Go ahead. And
Okay.
if you are done with the mobile application testing, you have different types of testing, right? So the network, right? What all do you have? Interruption.
Functional testing.
Sorry?
Functional compatibility testing.
Usability.
Interruption. Network.
UI testing.
Right? So all those, try to cover all that. So especially in the mobile application, you have to go for the notifications. Suppose you get a notification and you click something, on the notification. Okay. Because in the mobile apps, you get a lot many notifications for a particular app. Say you have ordered something. In Mamaearth. Okay. When you're about to receive the order, or if you have any updates on your orders, so you're going to get a notification which is called as the push notification. Okay. You get a notification, right? Like a message on top of your screen, right? And if you slide in the notification bar, you get the notification, right? So that is called as a push notification in development terms. Okay. So you get the notification. Sometimes you will have some links on the notification. So now you don't have any notifications. So when you click on the link, where will it redirect to? Will it redirect to the application? So all those things you have to test. Okay, so now just try to explore. Go ahead, guys.
We can do gesture testing also. We can zoom in, zoom out.
Yes. So in mobile, usually the gestures will be very specific to the device. So you can adjust the, I mean, you can customize the gestures also, if you guys know that, right? Okay, so go ahead, guys. See, gesture testing is not very crucial, okay? But when it comes to the network, the interruptions, okay, all these are very important. Okay, go ahead.
If I tap on increasing number on 6, it is not taking. We can only increase by plus button.
Yeah, let's go for some other feature, right? Like,
can I go on
button.
sort filter? Sorting.
Yeah,
Can I
filter.
tap on sort?
Yes.
Okay.
Sort.
Yeah. It's taking actually increment too much time to
Take
compare to
price low to high.
Yeah, it's taking time.
Tap on.
yeah, compared to other applications, it's taking too much time.
See, if same cost is displaying, if both items are having 346, but it will display on rating or like what?
Don't have an option of in filter. We don't have like a discount option, right? We have only
No.
low to high.
In
high to low.
filter, we have by rating, low to high, high to low.
Will you go for search for product? That one.
Okay.
Will you type search soaps under 100 rupees or 200 rupees? Like
Soaps
loading time, it will be comparatively high.
under 500.
Here autofill not display, right? Autocomplete.
Oh, no. Auto recommendation.
It is displaying under 500 only. No, it's coming
No, there is
607.
607. Yeah.
In this,
That
actually,
is
filter
not a
is not
soap. Let me
filter
check
option
in
is not there.
categories. First category is there, na? There any filter is there? Okay. Here products.
We
Soaps.
can
No.
also do screen
Soaps are
orientation.
not. Actually, soaps are not there, right? Only.
Yeah, they are showing the category of that. Which category of soap you want, I guess.
Actually, category is for product is there. For amount, category is not there, right? We are getting a category for product. Homepage, I will go and see. See here also no option. Category based on amount. Only based on product category is there.
In the home page, no round robin option.
Have major tabs like that, right? Like it's down here. Down we have. Yeah. Carousel we have.
Can I go with here any category? Can I go particular category? Can I type? It will show that particular category or not. We can consider that also, right? Like a category based on amount is not there. Can anyone tell the pin code? Live your area?
560036.
5
0032 yeah.
Can anyone tell like village pin code where the delivery is not available?
573103.
573,103. It's available.
Five 34239.
Just a second. It's my pin code, May 21. Can anyone tell Bangalore pin code?
560068.
560068. Okay. For me, it is Hunkun Bagalkot district. It is showing on May 21. For Bangalore, it is showing on May 20.
Five.
Can I log in?
Yeah.
Terms and
Now,
policies.
before login,
Yeah,
we
okay.
can try in the cart page.
Buy now.
Does it?
Yeah, proceed to buy and then log in. Maybe this is going to show.
Yeah.
Membership plan.
By
Can
guest
I-
users, how far can we move?
We have carousel here also. See?
Here also it is asking add address. Until I add address, it won't go to buy now.
Add a valid address, no? And then we'll try. Maybe login it will take.
Last gateway page, it may ask for login.
I'm tapping on add address. I don't know why it is not taking.
It will get some.
It means we are not getting a pop-up message that you have to log in, right? Are we getting it?
No.
Yeah.
I am
No, when
getting
you try to add address, you have to register, I think. No.
It should
Actually,
come
No.
that message.
If you click on
But
add
it's
address,
asking for a mail ID and mobile
Tap.
number, right?
Yeah.
Tap on
When you tap
add
on the
address.
add address, it is telling you to fill the details.
add
of
new
the
address.
Is it?
actually app is getting stuck. I'm going back, but it is not at all going. If I click on whole back, it is coming, but only for single app page. If I am going back, okay, it's not coming back.
Just close it and reopen it. I will see.
Yeah. Anyone have Mama Earth application? Can anyone share? Because already 90% of data has been finished.
Wait, I will check.
Okay, thank you. You joined in mobile, Napavan?
I'm joining up. Wait one second. Is screen visible?
Yeah, it's
Yeah, if you click on add address before
one
logging
second. One second, Pawan. When I tapped on add address at that page, it was striking for me. Other applications or other slides are working, but only the add address and going back is striking. Means if we continuously use the application, this will happen. We should test it again. Check it
I
again.
think so.
Okay.
No, I haven't logged in.
Even for me also, the view card, the slider at the bottom is there. No, it has got freeze. Not able to do any action.
Yeah, application is getting freezed if we continuously use it.
Yeah, and it's
Performance.
taking more time to load.
And also just now I tried to add all the details in address page. It's not allowing special characters while adding the address.
Yeah,
It's
it's
saying that
taking too much time.
yeah. It says like we should not write special characters while giving the address.
I think there won't be special characters, right, while giving the address.
But I just tried like door number. I gave
Yeah.
hash,
Okay,
hash.
slash. Okay.
Then after door number, I gave comma. It's not taking comma also. It's saying it's a mistake.
Yeah. Here we can say also enter correct address with at least 6 characters.
Pavan, did you share? Like we are not able to see the screen.
You can't see.
No. It was visible. It was visible.
Yeah, we can see the one.
You can see now.
Sneha, did you stop sharing?
Yeah. We can see.
Yeah. Now I can. Yeah.
Yeah, we can't. At also we can't use any special other than letters and numbers. We can't use
Not
anything.
allowed.
Numbers we can give. Number is okay.
Yeah. We can try on work. Is that here also same case? For saving, it's taking little time.
Application is taking too much time.
Much time. Yeah.
And one more thing, for REQ, you can pitch for the developer to. There is no clear cut option. You can check, bro. Please explore once. One.
One second. I'm in payment option. I haven't logged in also, but we can also do payment.
You can select cash, like cash on delivery.
But you have given your mobile number and mail ID, right, while giving the details?
Yes.
No, nothing.
No, if you don't give mobile
Just
ID and the numbers, it will not actually move. It will ask you to fill that text field.
Maybe it will ask now.
cash fire.
Click on cash on delivery.
Via cash. Tap on.
1 second.
Yeah, in flow it is coming as click only.
Yeah.
Broken MD.
Select
Tap
COD.
on cash on delivery.
Directly asking.
No, sir. It's. Did you observe that pay via UPI? It's showing 1466. Pay via COD 15.
Yeah, it will add.
100 rupees difference.
That
Yes,
difference will be there.
because
Cash on
COD.
delivery difference will be there.
It is showing 1544.
Yeah.
Did you see here?
Yeah.
We have extra other features like share via WhatsApp or something, invite code. We have these difference, right?
Bro,
That
tap
is
on
for
more
referring.
options.
Bro,
Tap on.
are you logged?
They show referring to your friends.
And then share shopping experience.
Yeah.
They want feedback at the end. Everything.
Bro, do you say in, bro?
No, bro.
Phone number?
I just entered number.
Then Okay,
And
okay.
another thing is in Arsigiri there is no HSR layout.
Okay. Actually, this is bug. Actually, you didn't give any address, no? Or then only it's taken.
It has
No,
taken
they should
random.
take according to pin code. I have entered that pin code of 573103. What?
Pavan, do one thing. Can you go back
Pawan,
to
have you entered your
home
mobile
screen?
number?
Yeah,
Pavan,
one
go
second.
back to your home screen. Just check your name is visible somewhere, like Pavan somewhere.
No, here you can see here. I'm guest.
It's still in guest user.
Yeah.
Showing guest user
Bro,
because proper
before all
registration
of
is not happened.
before all
So
of that,
once you
please
try
cancel the order.
logging in, bro. Once you try logging in. Once you try.
Shall I log in?
Pawan, cancel the order first. Okay, you didn't log in, but in guest account only, it took the order.
Has
Taking
taken
the
the
address.
order.
Okay.
No, I haven't entered
Can you
number also.
please? Yeah, can you please tap on
Oh.
that profile icon? We have a profile icon right on top
Yeah,
in home page.
that's what I clicked now.
Okay.
Wait one second. I will skip.
Bro, on
And, the,
top right
and
there.
also, if you click
I have
on
clicked on profile
hamburger
icon.
menu, it's showing account details, right? There also we can check.
Yeah. Wait one second. I will go to my account.
Hamburger menu, yeah. My account, drop down.
In this.
My account,
My
tap on my account. Will it show the name and
yeah.
details? Again, no.
It will ask for login.
I will log in now.
It's a bug, bro. Actually,
Bro,
before
you placed the order.
you log in, you place the order. Pawan place the order.
Can you bro, can you skip this page? Can you skip this page and come to home page? Home screen. Don't log in. Don't log in. Don't log in.
Don't
Skip this one.
again. Skip this page.
Go to my orders.
My order. Go to my order. Check there. Is there any order?
No, it's asking login.
Okay. But you got it, bro. But you got the message,
details.
right? Successfully you ordered something like in email and.
No. Pawan didn't click on
It's not
place
a place.
order. It went up to place order, but not clicked on place order.
Order has been placed.
No, they show like the order has been placed like that.
No, do one thing. Go back to cart page. See all the details that you filled are already present, or you have to re-enter the details.
Click on cart icon.
So actually, I saw a message like Papu
Nine.
successfully order has been.
I saw the message. Order has been placed. Ready for.
That's why I asked Pawan if are you logged in are you in a guest account like that? That's why I asked.
Now once you try to log in, bro, logging in with your details. We'll see whether
Pawan
it has
tap
been
on
placed or not.
add any one product and go up to place order. Until that you
Bro, again you try to order something.
up to there.
Try to order something. Oh, login without logging, without signing, you just order something.
Go up to place order and give cash on delivery. Then
now it will show.
I'm clicking on cash and COD. See, like pay via cash. Pay via cash.
Its responsiveness is very slow.
actually it took 20 rupees extra.
See,
That's what
our order has been
this is a defect.
Order ID.
Yeah, thank you. Your order has
Sorry,
been
bug.
Pawan, have you entered any mobile number? No, right?
No, not yet.
Okay.
What is the bug, guys?
The bug.
We don't
Signing
get
in
mobile
here, we
number.
get the we can place our
Go view
like
details. Click on view details.
Yes, ma'am. So,
It is saying shipping to PB HSR Tarsikere, Karnataka.
but
Click on
ma'am.
view details. Who was that sharing?
Yeah,
Pawan. Pawan.
yeah, ma'am.
View items, ma'am.
View items.
Ma'am, it's not going to home only.
No. There you have an option, no?
View items.
Pawan, top
No.
only
Yeah.
below
Yes,
the
ma'am.
view items.
Yeah, ma'am.
May
There's
21
a
there.
drop down kind of icon you have. So you have thank you, your order has been placed. Below that, pay rupees 426. Below
Ma'am,
that, order ID. Below that,
I'm trying.
estimated delivery by. Next, total items 1. Next to that, you have no view items in blue color.
Ma'am, I'm
That's
trying
May
to click on
21.
that. It's not tapping.
Nothing is happening.
I think he is
No, ma'am.
checking, ma'am, but it is not
Ma'am, actually
performing any
application
action.
is taking.
He is
ma'am, application taking too much time actually. Some
Yeah, I saw that. It's taking a lot of time.
wait,
Ma'am, can I
I'm
share?
trying.
Yes, Afreen. If it is,
Yeah, can I share that?
yeah, Pavan,
Yeah,
please
It's
ma'am.
working.
sharing.
I just
Yes.
stopped. Yeah, now we can check.
Am I audible, ma'am?
Yeah.
I clicked on the drop down.
Hmm.
It is showing vitamin C, daily
Okay.
blue.
Fine. Shipping to Afreen. Did you log in or not?
I didn't log in, but I gave all the details while I gave the address. I gave my name.
Okay.
It asked for the name. I entered all the text fields.
Hmm.
But I did
now
not
what
give my
I
phone
noticed.
number.
Now what you
One
do
more thing I
is
noticed.
Afreen, you have not
Okay.
logged in, right?
Yeah, no. But I gave all the details
Kill
on
the
address page.
application, minimize it, kill the application.
Okay.
Do you understand what you mean by kill the application?
Means you are asking me to close it.
Now,
Exiting back, coming back from the application.
now hold on. Now you have minimized, right? So just swipe it up. It will get
Okay.
killed. Now the
Okay.
application is killed. Okay.
Okay.
Now try to open it from your app. The app icon you have in the home page, right? So just
Yes,
tap
ma'am.
on that. Where is it? Hold on. Now just go to profile. See if you can see any information there. Nothing.
No, ma'am.
Okay, go back. Fine. This is fine. Go to your orders. Skip.
Orders. Yeah.
Just
You
skip,
have any
skip
orders option? Track your order.
Yes. Track order.
Do you see that?
And it is
One with,
asking me to AWB number.
what is your AWB number?
we will get a message, ma'am. After we placing the order, we will get AW
Okay.
from order ID.
Now you guys place the
That is
order, no?
AWB.
When you place the order, did you get any AWB number?
No,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
actually
That's
we
what
didn't
said
give
before.
mobile number or email ID, but it is showing successfully order placed.
So now Ivani said, no?
Bug, ma'am.
Once the order is placed, you will get AWD number. Did you guys get it?
Like we have, no, ma'am. We didn't get any message and email also we didn't get any.
But at least any notification you got with that number?
We didn't notice, I guess, ma'am.
No, ma'am. We didn't get.
Probably. Just what you guys need to do is try to reproduce the same issue again.
Okay. So
actually, the discussion that was happening was how did it go? How did you guys feel now? Was that helpful?
It's no, ma'am.
Sorry.
Yeah, ma'am. It is
Ma'am,
helpful,
it's,
ma'am.
I mean,
Everyone
Yes,
will be
ma'am.
getting in different ideas.
Correct. So each one of you will think in different way, right? So in your manual class somewhere you might have read about this, or this point might be, you might have noticed, you might have heard about this point, that each test engineer will think differently, right? We are
Yes, ma'am.
individuals, different individuals, right? So each one of us think in different way, right? The case or the idea that I get, there's no it is not necessary that you should also think in the same way, right? So each one of us will think in different way, and some of you made some mistakes, the other person helped you in correcting. If the other person wasn't there, then what will happen? You will land up nowhere, you will just stay there and you will be thinking, okay, I don't know what to do, I don't know what to do, right? So the other person will help you, they'll guide you. Same way, the other person might also don't know something, and you might be aware of something, so you will help the other person, right? So it will be helpful, guys. So you exchange your knowledge or understanding. So that is the reason I want you guys to interact. And I think from Monday onwards you have the presentation session, right?
Yeah, it started by this Tuesday itself, ma'am.
Started, huh?
It's
How is it
already
going then?
started, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's early morning, like only 4 or 2 people are joining, ma'am.
What time is it? 6:30, yeah?
6 morning. Yeah, there are 2 slots, 6 to 6:30, and then 6 to 7, and then one more 6:30 to 7:30.
Okay.
But 6:30 to 7:30 batch has been shifted to 10 to 11 o'clock, madam, morning.
Okay. So who is in the one batch? I mean, two people who are in different batches. Can somebody? Okay, Pavan, you're in which batch?
6 o'clock batch.
Ma'am.
6 o'clock, which has been moved to 10 to 11.
No, ma'am.
No,
It's currently
6:30 has
6
been
o'clock.
moved.
Oh, sorry. Okay, 6 o'clock. How many are joining? Who all are joining in your batch?
Like 4, sometimes 2 of them are joining, ma'am. But today, like we thought of changing the time, and we discussed at 11. Me and Kavyashri, we discussed the interview questions.
Okay.
Some of them from manual and some of them from API. Like
Mm.
10 from manual and 5 from API. We started to discuss each day.
Okay.
Then,
So 10 to 11, right? The other time slot that's been changed.
yeah, Sneha's group, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay,
ma'am.
Sneha's group. How many of them are joining in your batch?
5 members are joining, ma'am.
Guys, who are not actually joining? Can somebody name who is not joining in both the batches? Pavan is not joining, huh?
Pavan, yes, ma'am.
Not joining. Why, Pavan?
From 6 o'clock, I will join from next week, ma'am.
Why? ಇವಾಗ ರಾವ್
Yes.
ಕರಲ್ಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಸರಿ ಇಲ್ವಾ? What's the
Was
problem?
ನಾವು ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿ ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ವೀಕೆಂಡ್ ಜಾಯ್ನ್ ಆಗೋಣ ಅಂತ.
Hey, no, don't make that mistake, guys. ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೋಬೇಡಿ. Understand?
Without preparing, what
Even
can
if you
we
don't
teach?
see, even if you don't present, at least attend the session. Attend agi. See how other people discuss. You
Or
don't
else we can shift, if it's very early to them, like we can shift from 8 to 9 also. Because
I mean, you guys discuss among yourselves because few of them are working, right? So it might be difficult for them. So what I tell you is, at least if you're occupied in something, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಿರ್ತೀರಾ, ಬೇರೆ ಏನೋ ಕೆಲಸ ಇದೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ, you cannot discuss ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೂ, join the call, listen to others. Just by listening, you will learn lot many things. Observe how they answer, how they, ಈಗ ಒಂದು, for example, explain defect life cycle. Assume that is a question that's been asked. Okay. So when I say presentation, what do you need to present? When I'm presenting, I should say the answer, okay, in such a way that I am presenting it in front of the interviewer. Assume that you are attending an interview. So if you sit in front of the interviewer, how will you answer? That way you have to answer. Now, if when the other person is actually answering, you will be listening to them. Correct? So you are the interviewer now. So in your point of view, how are they answering? What is the mistake that they have done? Try to understand. ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ಮಾಡಿರೋ ತಪ್ಪಿಂದ ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಕಲಿತೀವಿ. Okay? So ಅವರು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದಾರೆ, you'll be conscious that at that point of time. And one more thing is, we humans, we are tend to find mistakes in others. ರೈಟ್. ಸೊ ಅವ್ರು ಏನ್ ತಪ್ಪು ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ನಮ್ ತಲೆಯಲ್ಲಿ ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ದಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಹೌ ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಯು ನಾಟ್ ಟು ಮೇಕ್ ದ ಸೇಮ್ ಮಿಸ್ಟೇಕ್. ಓಕೆ ಪವನ್, ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪವನ್ ನಾನು ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಆಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಯು ವಿಲ್ ನೆವರ್ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಆನ್ ಇಫ್ ಯು ಕೀಪ್ ಹ್ಯಾವಿಂಗ್ ದಟ್ ಮೈಂಡ್ ಸೆಟ್. ನಾಟ್ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಪವನ್, ಯಾರೇ ಆಗ್ಲಿ. ಓಕೆ, ಡೋಂಟ್ ಥಿಂಕ್ ದಟ್ ಲೆಟ್ ಮಿ ಪ್ರಿಪೇರ್. Start giving presentations. Only then you will have confidence. Yes, Afreen?
Ma'am, it's not taking the order ID by itself, ma'am. We have to first store somewhere and then we have to add it. And we have to see the track order here.
Okay, but what I'm asking
I
is,
think
do
it's
you have the
because,
order ID? Does it show the order ID? Once
Yeah,
you
it
place
showed.
an order without logging in?
Without logging in, because without logging in, it's like I have not logged in, but I have given all the details in address page.
Okay.
Whenever like order ID, it showed, ma'am. Actually, it showed.
Okay, just try to reproduce the same with the same reproduction steps. Try to reproduce
Yes,
that bug.
ma'am.
Okay, try to reproduce it and
Yes,
then
ma'am.
observe in that message or somewhere. Oh, see, you
Ma'am,
have the order
I
ID.
took
So
snapshot.
with this order ID,
Yeah, I
you can
took the
see.
snapshot.
Now, right, correct. So now try to understand this is not a bug. You guys were saying that it is a bug. See, these are very big applications, right?
Madam, but
So,
without giving
chances
any
of
mail ID and any mobile number, it is taking a order,
Actually,
madam.
it's a bug only, ma'am.
see, it has
no,
Without
but
giving
we
any
are,
contact
but we are
details,
giving
it is
any
number
only
and
address
mail
is
ID,
given,
right?
ma'am.
In the while placing
Sorry?
the order.
Yes, Amrita.
No,
What is
no,
it?
ma'am.
What is it? 1 second, Vanika.
No, ma'am. Actually,
Amrita
we are
was
giving the
something.
mobile number and mail ID while placing the order. We were not
They're
logging
saying
in
they have.
or signing up, but we were giving the like
Afreen,
number
did you
and
give any information? Afreen, are you there? You raised your
No, ma'am.
hand.
Not even giving phone number.
Only
Not even giving phone number also, ma'am.
only
That
Okay,
home
also
guys.
address will be given, ma'am, along with the pin code. It is showing as the order confirmed.
Actually, I did not see whether you guys have given or not. All of you, please try to explore this. We'll connect tomorrow. Okay. So I want you guys to explore on this application. Okay. So just not in the class, even after class or before starting tomorrow's session. So please try to explore few more features and just go through this particular bug also. I mean, I'm not concluding it as a bug, but just go through this. Okay. So once you spend some more time, you will have a better idea. Okay, and each one of you can justify it in different way. So we'll discuss on this tomorrow. And before tomorrow's class, I want you guys to explore. So on this project, I mean on this application, I'm not going to explain anything. Okay, understood,
Yes, ma'am.
guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, ma'am.
So for weekend, you guys have to write test cases for Amazon. That is the previous this one
Madam, one doubt.
application. Okay.
Ma'am, one
web
doubt,
application.
Ma'am, any
Yes,
e-commerce or just Amazon, ma'am?
Ma'am,
Amazon or Myntra, don't consider too many applications. Just write it on Amazon or Myntra. We went through which other applications, or Flipkart.
Ma'am, I'm writing general test cases.
Don't write general
Like,
test case.
considering all e-commerce.
Consider one application. Please
Okay.
consider one application. Manikya,
Okay.
if you want to write test cases for Amazon, please write it on Amazon. Don't merge everything. Sneha, if you want to write it on Myntra, please write it for Myntra. Sanjana, if you want to write it for some other application like Flipkart, please write it only for Flipkart. All your test cases should be based on Flipkart. Don't merge it. Okay.
How much we have to write?
Sorry?
How many test cases we have to write? How many
I
test
told you,
cases
no?
we have to write?
Write 300.
300.
If you write 500, I'll be happy, more happy. Okay.
Ma'am, for one feature, one model we have to write 300 test cases, or entirely
Whole
application 300?
Whole application.
Yeah,
Okay.
ma'am, okay.
But for each feature, write some test cases. And
Okay.
I don't want any functional test cases. Do you understand what do you mean by functional test cases? I want more of integration, end to end. Okay. Some valid cases I want. Don't write this particular search box should accept only alphabets, only numbers. You understand what is a functional test case. You are very good at understanding
Yeah.
what I mean. You guys know what is a functional test cases. Functional testing. I don't want that. Okay.
Can we write UI also? UI test cases.
Preferably no, guys. No, please. Because I want you guys to don't just go behind the number. Okay, I have to write 300 test cases, so I will write all UI. No, please don't write UI test cases.
Ma'am, can we combine, check whether it is there or not and click on it like that? Can come.
Like how?
See whether check Amazon logo is there or not and it is clickable.
See, clickable and all is fine, but try to understand. They are all very simple cases. If you want to improve your creative thinking, you have to write more of integration scenarios, end-to-end cases.
Okay.
You get that? Do you understand what is my expectation? I want you to think very creative. Okay? I want you to think out of box. That is my expectation. That is when you will gain confidence. I know you all are very good at writing test cases for is it clickable or not? Will it accept how many characters it will accept? Will it accept only alphabets or numbers, a combination of alphabets and numbers? I know you are very good at writing those, but I don't want you to write that. Okay? More of integration, end-to-end flows.
Ma'am, we have to write it in such a way like it includes. We have to write it in such a way like it includes multiple pages,
Pages,
or multiple navigations. Like
yes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, Shrikant, you had something to say?
Yes, ma'am. That's it. Like multiple navigation steps or multiple pages integration.
You know what is integration case? Example, you
Yes,
have two accounts. Okay, WhatsApp. You have a chat module, right? Chat menu where you send a message. You have your own account. From your number, you're going to create an account and you send a message to your friend. That is user B. In the test case, okay, when multiple users are when multiple users come into picture and multiple accounts come into picture, say that as user A, that is one user from one account, user B, that is a user from another account. Don't say from one user to another user. Don't say that. Say it as user 1 to user 2 or user A to user B. Give a name. Like in algebra you say some variable name you give, right? X y z, right? Likewise, say it as user A or user 1. Next, another account is there where there is user 2. Don't say it as user first user, second user. Don't define it like that. Okay, user A or user B, product A, product B. You get this? When you say product A, it is a specific product. It is with a specific model. Okay, understood this, guys? Don't say when the user selects Nike shoe, Nike shoe with the model number some XYZ. Don't say that. Say it as product A. That's enough. It's a very unique product. That defines it's a unique product. That is how you have to generalize. Okay, understood? Any other questions? Done? Okay, so weekend you have tried test cases, and by tomorrow's by the time you come back tomorrow, you have to explore. I mean, give some time. It is half an hour or 1 hour. Okay, 1 hour. You give some time for exploring this application. That is Mama. Okay, and the bug. I mean, the point which you are saying it as a bug. Okay, try to give some explore that and do some research on that. Why it is actually accepting. Intentionally, they would have what developed this flow in this application. If yes, then why they have implemented it in such a way? So try to
Hello, ma'am. Hello. Hello. Hello, ma'am.
I think
Actually, ma'am
madam
has left the floor.
Ma'am is left.
And
can we wait for 5 minutes? Means ma'am may join.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah,
Yes,
ma'am. Now we.
ma'am.
Sorry, there was some
Yes.
network issue or some Wi-Fi issue. I don't know. Okay, so yeah, you guys got it. What needs to be done tomorrow and for the weekend, right? So we'll drop now. If no questions, other than Shrikant, all of you, I mean others, please drop off. Shrikant, I need 10 minutes of yours. Thank you.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.